Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Kitchen. That's right, this is Big Daddy's Cooking Show, okay? So right now we're gonna have, with it being so cold outside, we're gonna make some chili today, okay? So right now I got some ground meat that's actually cooking in a pot right here. I got a medium onion going on. I got some rotel. I have made some diced tomato with chili mixture. I got some chili powder. I got that top Texas spice. So let's put this together. So here's the deal. I got my ground meat almost cooked to perfection. So now I'm gonna add my medium onion in here because I like to saute my onions real good. So I'm gonna put those in there. Let those cook down a little bit. Put this top on here once I stir it a little bit around here, okay? Put that top on there. Let it simmer a little bit, okay? Now that these onions are sauteed in the ground meat, and you know what, you can use ground chuck, you can use ground turkey. I prefer a meat that is with less fat in it. So now we're gonna put everything together, okay? First I'm gonna put a can of diced tomatoes. That's with garlic and olive oil. And let's put a diced tomato with chili mix. Then I'm gonna put a can of hot rotel in there, hot. And that's with habanero peppers, yes sir. And then we're gonna do tomato sauce, 2 cans. That would be 2 8-ounce cans, okay? 1 and 2, yes. Yes, we're gonna stir this up a little bit, okay? All right, we're gonna stir this up. Ooh. Come on now. We're gonna put some chili powder in there. Over the top, okay? About a 10-second shake, okay? And then last but not least, but most importantly, that top Texas spice, baby. Put that in there and we're gonna let this simmer and we'll be right back. Look at that. That looked amazing. And that's your finishing product. Thank you for taking the time to look at Big Daddy's Cooking Show. And last but not least, beasting.